Hello everybody, this is Cost Viewer. It's been a while since I uploaded the last Excel model. This time I'm going to show you something different. I'm going to share with you a Sudoku solver, any dimension solver. It's a very unique one because not only does it solve 9 by 9 Sudoku, but it also does 16 by 16, 25 by 25, 49 by 49, and so on and so forth. It's a very versatile one. The file comes with VBA code, which is available to anyone who wants to take a deeper dive and understand the logic of this. And the funny thing is, and actually I wrote this code over 10 years ago around Christmas time, and the sole purpose of it was to support some charity organization. There is an organization in Poland which supports terminally ill children, and I just wanted to support them. So whoever feels like donating to this institution, whenever you click the button solve Sudoku, a window will pop up with a bank account and information about the charity. You can always visit their website and just check if bank account is still valid, is still the current one. As I said, the file is available on my website, no strings attached. You can just download it. You can study the code and share it freely with everybody. Use it freely with everybody, all of your friends. Again, on one hand side, this file, someone might argue, is useless because what's the point in having this, in doing this? But it's just for fun. I made it for fun and just to show how powerful Excel is and how, what you can do with this. So very often whenever I talk to my employees and they tell me, they argue something cannot be done in Excel, I use it as a reference. I use it just to show them that actually you can do these things in Excel. Take care, guys. Bye.